Peace, you guys. Peace, team. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I recorded this for us, for our new members, for some people who may need a refresher on just what Bitcoin is and why it would be good to participate now that you're in the IM Forex trading family. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is definitely something that you should add to your portfolio. So I would just like to discuss it with this quick little PowerPoint that I put together for us, okay? If you're not familiar with Bitcoin, just so you can understand, Bitcoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or bank. Bitcoin is managing transaction and issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by the network. So who is the network? We have Bitcoin miners. That is the network. And anybody can be a Bitcoin miner if you have enough electricity and a computer. So it is not centralized or controlled by the elite. Okay, Bitcoin is an open source. Its design is public. Nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everyone can take part. And that's just not everyone in the United States. That's everyone in the world, Craig, can participate in the production and the utilization of Bitcoin. You can mine it all over the world, and you can use it as a transaction all over the world where the internet is, right? Through many of its unique properties, Bitcoin allows exciting uses that could not be covered by any previous payment system. So it really has opened up the world for us with transacting and moving money abroad, locally, and just to give you like a quick example of that, it's like, look how fast we can move money with Cash App. That is bare bone technology of what Bitcoin has the capability of doing. So, Bitcoin blockchain technology in the beginning. You know, in the beginning, Bitcoin pioneered the currency in the crypto industry. It was also referred to as digital currency on January 3rd, 2009. So this asset is not that old at all. It's 11 years old. On January 3rd, 2009, the Bitcoin network came into existence with Satoshi Nakamoto mining the Genesis block of BTC, block number 0, which had a reward of 50 Bitcoin. Wow, that is huge, because now with if you have been Googling or exposed to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency at all, you know that we recently had the halving of the Bitcoin, basically what the miners receive. So when the genesis of Bitcoin, if you mined a Bitcoin, you would get 50 Bitcoin, right? If you were to do a mining block for Bitcoin, you would get rewarded with 15 Bitcoin. Now, if you do a mining block, the Bitcoin network has to split. Is it 12 or 6? It's the number has diminished, making it making the value of the coin go up because there is a limited supply of it. Okay, and this is like a quick PowerPoint. Like I said, you will definitely learn more and understand more about it as you participate. You get involved, you touch it, you feel it, and you participate in it. And what I mean by touch and feel it, you have it on your cell phone, your computer, and your other devices, basically. So wow. So now, as of today, May 11th, 2020, the halving day, the mining reward is 6.25 BTC. Just read your PowerPoint to you, right? And you keep up. What is that bad? Heck no. The demand for BTC is much higher now, meaning the value of one BTC is around $10,000 now. And when they were producing 50 BTC per mining block, it was worth about 25 cents. So do you understand that it's more lucrative, more worth their while now to mine the Bitcoin because it's worth so much more individually, each coin. Fun fact, the next halving is expected between March 2024 and June 2024. So we don't have an exact date. It's somewhere in the spring of 2024. The mining reward will also be reduced again, meaning what class? The price of Bitcoin will go up. Okay. And that is the way that the currency was designed to operate, which is absolutely great for us, especially if we are new adapters and we are wanting to participate in this space as soon as possible. What network does Bitcoin used? Well, with its inception, it simultaneously created the blockchain network. Get it? The first block of BTC was created on the blockchain network. Too nerdy. Anyway, but that is what that is. And as you can see up here above, how the blockchain network works, you can take a look at this. You can Google it, but it breaks it down how blockchain works and how Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, is the granddaddy currency, is the starter of them all currency that operates and functions on the blockchain network. You do have alternate coins that function and operate on the blockchain network, like Monero and Ripple and Ethereum and different things like that. They have so there are altcoins and then there's Bitcoin here, and what we like to focus on and what we want you to get participating into is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the granddaddy. Bitcoin is like getting, for a comparison's sake, it's like going ahead and getting like a whole bunch of gold bars. You would rather have a bunch of gold bars than a bunch of silver bars, right? Just for comparison's sake. Okay, so here on this slide, you will see why you should get involved. And I'll just read through this and then I'll elaborate. Are traditional asset classes currently feeling a bit of a pinch? Are we looking for diversity? Looking to diversify your portfolio? Do you feel like, oh man, this portfolio is down. The United States dollar is down. Oh, gold is it's a struggle over here. Oh, oil crash. Where do we put our money? So Bitcoin is a great alternative and an additional place for you to, diversify your financial portfolio. Are you looking for something else that could be a hedge for your personal assets while other investment asset classes regroup, right? Like I just said, with the asset classes I just named. An asset class is a grouping of investments that exhibit similar characteristics and are subject to the same laws. So, like I said, you can have shares in a business and companies, you can have stocks and bonds and property and commodities and even cash, right? Those are asset classes. But like I mentioned before, we are in a time where the federal governments on the globe, the central banks across the globe, are printing money at a very quick pace. And when they print so much money and there's so much available to us, it decreases the value of it, meaning that what you could buy for $10, say you could get, I don't know, some lotion or something for $10. By them printing so much money, that will increase the price of that lotion to probably $20. Not the value of the lotion. It's the same lotion, same floral ounces, same ingredients, everything. But because there's so much money in circulation, to make it make sense, prices will increase. So there may be more money in circulation, but you're spending more of it. So you need to put your money somewhere that it's safe, that money increases in value versus you spending the money, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't, watch it again. Google inflation, deflation, look into like the economy. When I post this video, I'll post some additional links so you can do some additional research. But it makes sense, but there are a lot of money being pushed out into the economies all across the globe. Things will become more expensive because the money is there to spend. It's pretty much that simply logical, right? Other reasons why it's good to get involved in Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The global economy and our federal government, the United States federal government, is making major moves and making it a priority to solidify the cryptocurrency space. If you can see on there, April 2020, 32 bipartisan bills were introduced to the 116th U.S. Congress. They are looking to secure and control and give the same laws and backing protections to cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology as they give to banks, right? And we have access, right? I love that. We have access that you can look up those bipartisan bills and look to see how your government is getting in position to utilize these types of assets, which is Bitcoin and the blockchain technology. Another fun fact, Kelly Loeffler, Georgia senator, she was the former CEO of BACT. back a Bitcoin futures and options contract warehouse. Also, it backed is owned by the New York Stock Exchange, right? So the cryptocurrency advocates, the people that see the value in Bitcoin, the people that have, when the crash happened and we not the crash, but we had that little hiccup in 2020, the market dropped because of coronavirus. Kelly Loeffler was one of the many people that work in the Congress. She's actually a senator that made a lot of money during that fall. And she is in position as a senator right now to continue to secure her bag, right? And she is part of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology movement. So it would behoove us to take a lesson or just to be vigilant or aware of what wealthy people are doing, because they're doing it if we pay attention or not, right? So the cryptocurrency advocates, the people who want to participate, the people who see value in it, are in position right now in our federal government to make this happen and to push things forward. Another fun fact: Brian Brooks, former chief legal officer of Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase is United States big dogs of cryptocurrency. If you live in the United States, that's where you would start, get your beginning in cryptocurrency. That's what we highly recommend for onboard you in cryptocurrency, is on Coinbase. In April of 2020, he was named the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of Currency, the OCC. He was named the officer of the Comptroller of Currency. He's the formal legal officer of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in America. Do you follow how that's lining up? The United States government and the federal government is getting the people in place that have experience in blockchain technology, that have experience in cryptocurrency, and they are putting them in positions of power to get our government in line to participate with this new movement of digital currency. Okay? It's time to look into it. It's time to participate because people around us are doing this. Okay? Another fun fact, because I just want to come with, the facts. Multi-billionaire Paul Tudor Jones. If you're not familiar with Paul Tudor Jones, go ahead and Google him, look him up. He, just to let you know, he has an island that's called PTJ in his initials. That's how wealthy he is, right? And he made an announcement May of 2020 that he is going to hedge and protect his assets, his fortune, right? He's a multi-billionaire with Bitcoin, okay? I mean, with this type of announcements and these movements, it cannot hurt to take a little note of a multi-billionaire. It can't hurt, right? So I just want us to be involved and participate, right? Here it's like, okay, I understand what you're saying. I'm interested in Bitcoin. I want to get involved. What do I do? How do I get started? You start with Coinbase and Cash App. The reason why I say let's start with Cash App. It is a basic app that is linked to your checking account or savings account that allows you to purchase Bitcoin. That's it. It's pretty basic. You don't have any of the security features to protect your coins on there. Cash App, you just want to purchase and move it to a wallet, or purchase it and move it to Coinbase so that you can get on Coinbase and do other things. The reason why I say sometimes to go ahead and purchase your Bitcoin on Cash App, because most people are in United States, a lot of people use Cash App. They utilize that technology, right? So your account is already set up. So you just have to turn on the Bitcoin option. You have to just go in your Cash App, turn on the Bitcoin option, follow the prompts, just read through, and it's going to walk you through what you need to do. And when you turn that on and you're verified through Cash App, which doesn't take that much because you already started the verification process, right? When you verify, you get verified to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App, it makes it much easier for you to move Bitcoin into Coinbase. Because some checking accounts and some savings accounts, they give you a hard time with making withdrawals and deposits with Coinbase, and you have to like call, and if you don't want to do all that headache, you can purchase on Cash App. Okay, purchase it on Cash App and send it to your Coinbase wallet. Okay. Um, Coinbase is a little less basic. It gives you more options there, and it's a website that is linked to your Coinbase app. So on the Coinbase app on website, you have the option to purchase alternate coins such as Tezos or Ethereum or Ripple, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So when you set up your Coinbase account and you move your Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase, you now have the opportunity to purchase these different assets using your Bitcoin. And I'll go through an example. I pulled up my Coinbase. I have one that I showed you. I moved all of the money, well, most of the money, into my Exodus wallet, which you can see here is in column 2. So I could give you an example of how Coinbase works. Okay. So with your Exodus wallets, you can see there it's the world's leading desktop, mobile, and hardware wallet. The wallet, when you download the software on your laptop or on your phone or on your iPad, just know that that is literally like your physical wallet. So if you do it on your laptop, have it, they'll walk you through the process of having it secured and password protected and things like that. But you use the Exodus wallet after you've been on Coinbase and you've accumulated a few $1,000s or a few $100s in Bitcoin to protect it and to get it out of the volatility of the market. You can move it into the Exodus wallet into a stable coin like USD coin. Or if you want to stay in the market, but you just want to get it off of the Coinbase website, so you can monitor it a little bit easier with your Exodus wallet, you can move that money. And we recommend that you move, once you get to 1,000 or so, into your Exodus wallet, because on your Exodus wallet, you have access and ownership to your privacy keys. Privacy keys, that's another lesson all in itself. If you're in IM Mastery Academy, I recommend that you go to the digital currency side and you watch some of Curtis Cobain Branch's videos explaining more about the privacy keys and how the Exodus wallet works. But that's step number 2. So you start with Coinbase and Cash App, then you graduate over to the Exodus wallet. Once you have a couple hundred up to $1,000, you move some of that money over there. And then once you get your Exodus wallet, you have a full Bitcoin. Say if right now Bitcoin's about $8,900. If you have a full Bitcoin, you're like, you know what? I want to put this on a device in somewhere very safe. Ledger wallet. You want to get you a Ledger hardware wallet. It looks something like a USB little port type of thing. It gives you all of your privacy keys. You own everything about that. The con is that you can't purchase cryptocurrency with your Ledger or with your Exodus wallet. You can just store and hold on to the money. It's like your banking account. It's like your cryptocurrency account, but it's like a device. It's pretty cool. So I would recommend that that's the step that you take. So if you're new to this, you haven't done anything in the cryptocurrency space, start with your Cash App, activate your Bitcoin settings, buy some Bitcoin, buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. After you get that set up, you can sit that in there for a day or two, go over to Coinbase, open up a Coinbase account, start your Coinbase account, and once you're all verified and you're ready to go, you could take the Bitcoin that you purchased at Cash App and deposit it into your Coinbase. When you deposit it into your Coinbase, if you use a referral link, you will receive an additional $10 worth of Bitcoin. So you'll end up with $110 of Bitcoin in your Coinbase account. And Coinbase has this awesome thing called Learn with Coinbase, where you can literally watch 2 to 3 minute videos and learn about cryptocurrency, and they pay you. It's real money, okay? It's a real thing. So I really want you to get involved. It's excellent. It's a great thing. So like I said, I went over where do you start, Coinbase to Cash App. And then just right here, here are my resources where I receive the information, so you can verify and you can study for yourself. It's really important for our team to participate in the cryptocurrency space. And I will do another team meeting in a video where I'll go over how to load your brokerage account using Bitcoin or an altcoin if you would like, but Bitcoin is most likely what we will use. We'll go over that as well, because with you funding your account with Bitcoin, it allows you to withdraw with Bitcoin, and it's just a faster, more seamless, way less fees type of transaction. And I would love for y'all to participate in that way. Now, I did say that I wanted to show you Coinbase, and I am going to show you my Coinbase. I think that it would be right here. All right, so this is the Exodus Wallet website, but I'm going to go back here to Coinbase. So as you can see, I kept $37 in here, and the reason why I did is because I am currently staking an altcoin called Tezos, right? So when you go here, I can limit just what I can show you, but you have your home button, your portfolio, the prices of the altcoin, and then earned rewards. You can get up to $152. I'm gonna click on this just really quick so you can see that. I might need to sign back in. I may need to sign back in because it's been a minute. Okay, I had to re-sign in, guys. Okay. And as you can see, it was just 37.11. It went up, so you earn money. But right here, this is the home page, right? Discover how to earn over $152 in cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Here, this is my watch list. I got Bitcoin, Litecoin. These are things that I'm watching to kind of see how the market is fluctuating. Like I mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is about $8,900, right? And these are all alternative coins that you can purchase on Bitcoin. Now, right now, the only thing in my Coinbase portfolio is Tezos, because like I mentioned, I put things into my coins into my what is it called? My Exodus wallet, because it's I have the privacy keys for that. So I wanted to show you. So that's the home page. Then you go to your portfolio, right? And you could see here that you could set up recurring purchases. So if you have your checking or savings account set up, you can set up monthly, weekly, every day to purchase $5 worth of Bitcoin. There you see it going up 37.70. That's pretty cool. So you can see here I got a whopping 76 cents in my US dollar. And so this right here, US dollar, is cash money. So you're like, okay, I'm buying all these Bitcoins and Tezos and altcoins. Okay, but what if I want my $36? All you have to do is move it from here to here. And then when it's here in this wallet, all you have to do is hit the withdraw button, withdraw. And as you can see, you can withdraw it to your PayPal. And then the rest is history. You can do whatever you need to do with that. So that's how you take your money from crypto to cash. So I showed you home. I showed you portfolio. You see it's still going up, 37.72. Prices. It's right here. It's just a more in-depth list of what there's available to purchase on Coinbase. Some of these, like Ripple, is 20 cents. Tezos, that is something that I'm holding and investing, and you can learn more about Tezos on IM Mastery Academy with Curtis Cobain Branch. And what you see there, it's less than $3. So forth and so on. You could do some research there. This one right here where it says earn rewards. This is really, really cool. Like I said, you could go here, right? And these are blocked out because I earned $40. I completed 5 of the 6, and I've already earned pretty much. I completed 3 of the 4, 3 of the 3. Stellar Loomis, and you can just, that's how you add value. And so let me click on it so you can see. So it says right here, earn $2, earn $2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I earned $10 right here, right? And if I invite friends who don't have an account with Coinbase and they also purchase, or they just watch these videos, I can get up to $10 per. So I have 4 invites, right? And same thing with Orchard. I watched some videos, $2, $2, $2. So I made $10 up here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $10 right there. So we up to $20. 2, 4, 6, $26. I'm so sorry. I'm about to wrap this video up before she starts going crazy. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to see that Coinbase pays you to participate. That's amazing. So participate, guys. Like, come on. We have some flexibility. We got some things going on. Let's do this. Let's participate. So this is just a quick overview of Coinbase, and I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to wrap this up before my dog really starts going crazy. She has an attitude. I want to show you this, and then I'm going to wrap this video up. This is your Exodus wallet. When you graduate from Cash App to Coinbase and you're ready for Exodus, make sure you go to exodus.io. Exodus is where you would download the wallet, and just how you would move the money from Cash App to Coinbase, you would move your coins from Coinbase to Exodus. Just that quick. I'm looking at 2 different screens, so if this looks weird, I'm sorry, guys. But I hope that this video was helpful. Where it may not have been helpful, or you still have questions, drop them in the team Telegram. If you are seeing this on YouTube and I'm able to help you, you're not a part of my team, go ahead and drop me a comment and a question. I don't mind answering. I hope that this video was helpful. I know it's very long. So you guys have a wonderful day. Peace, YouTube.